Hey guys, Disney Collector here with this Shopkins vending machine storage tin and one Shopkins surprise basket. First we're gonna open the vending machine. Wow, this storage tin is awesome! Look, it's so colorful! It comes with two exclusive Shopkins. We also got a Shopkins checklist. The two Shopkins are Pretzel and Cheeky Chocolate. They're so cute. The vending machine is a collector's storage tin. All painted. Well, time to open this surprise basket. So here we have one Shopkin, two, and the Shopkins checklist. They come inside this Shopkins. They come inside this Shopkins basket. Let's open the first one. This one right here is Tommy Ketchup. And this is the second one. Oh wow, we got Wishes cake. It comes with candles, strawberry frosting, and all glittery. So now let's put our little Shopkins in our vending machine. Well, Princess Anna, ready to do your shopping? Ready! We definitely need a cake and maybe ketchup and chocolate. Okay, cake, ketchup, and chocolate for George. Well, let's pay. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Shopkins right here on Disney Collector.